Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change brightness on your PC desktop running Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your system unit and wait until your Windows 11 computer completely loads up. Make sure you're fully logged in and at your desktop before moving forward with the rest of this tutorial. Once your PC is ready, you'll need to navigate to your Windows Start menu. You can find this located within your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and click on it to open the Start menu. From here, you'll want to type in Microsoft Store in the search field and press Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Microsoft Store application where you can download tools to help manage your display settings. After the Microsoft Store window appears, direct your attention to the top part of your screen. You'll see a search bar there. Click on it and type in Twinkle Tray, then hit Enter. This app is specifically designed to give you easy brightness control for your desktop monitor, which isn't always straightforward on Windows 11 desktop PCs. Wait a moment while the search results populate. From the results that appear, look for and click on Twinkle Tray Brightness Slider. This will take you to the app's overview page where you can see more details about what it does and read reviews from other users. Once you're on this page, simply click on the Get button to begin downloading the app. It's worth noting that this app is completely free, so you won't need to enter any payment information or worry about hidden costs. The download sequence will now commence. Depending on your internet connection speed, this might take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Once the download completes, the app will automatically install itself on your system. You don't need to do anything else during this process, just let it finish on its own. After the installation has finished, look at your system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll notice the Twinkle Tray icon has appeared there among your other system icons. Click on this icon to open the Twinkle Tray interface. You'll now see a brightness slider that gives you quick and easy access to adjust your monitor's brightness directly from your desktop. This is far more convenient than diving into Windows settings every time you want to make adjustments. And there you have it. You now have full brightness control on your Windows 11 desktop PC. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.